check this out. This is a Clark corner straight off the forklift. We got from the knuckle out. Now you probably don't get to see this a lot, but it has a brake drum attached in between the knuckle and the hub. We take that out and the hub sits flush against the knuckle. Anyways, this is what you call a virgin hub. It has never been used before. So I'm going to take this apart so the garage twins have an extra spare for the season. And it also helps clean out this trailer quite a bit. So, I'm going to take this apart. Look at that. It still's got the stock outer axle in it too. I'd probably take the plug hole out first, actually, before we take off the faceplate. Just in case there's a lot of pressure built up there, we can escape out this plug hole. Buddha can tell you all about that one. So right now, we're taking off the bolts with a 3. So right now we're taking off these 1/2-inch bolts or nuts with a 3/4 socket. That's the size socket you'll need. Size socket that we use. Now here's something neat that I always love to see when it comes to the planetary face. Is you got these extra holes here that will literally push out the plate for you when you zap it in with a gun. Alright, next one. Like magic. Alright, look at this. Can you see how it's already pulling it apart? Dude, this one's at this side. Keep going. Super convenient. You know, when that option's not there, you kind of got to get a chisel. There's an indent somewhere and you just got to go one side back and forth, chiseling it out. But this is super convenient, a lot faster. There you go. Here's the planetary. Woo. Man, look at this mess. Gross. Keep going. Time to take the spindle nuts off, then we can remove the bowl gear. If you guys want a more in-depth understanding of how we put these on and off the trucks, send the link below. There's a full video, even down to the type of spindles they use for these monster trucks. Everything here you see is stock. Okay. Now there are 2 spindle nuts. Hold on these bowl gears. The bowl gears with the planetary rides on. I'll give you an example. Take this washer out. Having a little difficulty taking this washer tab out, so I'm using cat's claw. Some people call it a lady's foot, but and this is what I use to bend the tabs as well. Bend the tabs so that way the spindle nuts do not loosen. There you go. Alright, now at the spindle nuts, these are the spindle nuts, off. Slide this guy out. Usually. It won't be a pain today, boy. No, it's being a pain. It's a little tough, but hold on. There we go. Nice. Alright, now I've got to take off this brake drum, which is really nasty because it's bad, nasty smelling fumes. That really is not healthy for you. So please do not try this at home. All the bolts that hold this brake drum together are out, so now I can pop the whole deal. Let's hide this out as well. I think. Let's get this outer axle out. Whoever runs those stock axles, look up for twins. There you got it. Man, this is tough when it's laying like this for me. I almost got it. There we go. Come on. I'll be back. Shoot. Got it. There's the brake drum. It smells terrible. There you go. There's. I'm going to unbolt it right here, and that'll give us the spindle and knuckle. And then we'll undo that, and that'll give us the hub. Whew. Alright. Gotta undo all these bolts, and then we'll just have the hub, and that'll be the last of what we need. Alright, now these bolts are out, so now we can smack this out. Don't need that. Alright, we got everything we need now. What's most useful to us is obviously the hub, the knuckle, and the bowl gear and faceplate. Now what's really being used less and less nowadays, almost rarely it seems like to me, is the stock spindle and the stock inner axles. So no one really uses that. A couple trucks do, but not much. Really what our focus is, and a lot of people's focuses now, is just mainly the hub that includes the planetaries and the bowl gears, and of course the knuckles as well. I actually took apart the Champagne months ago, so it's in the shop right now, but we also use that. Alright, well there you have it. There is the hub. That's what we all use on probably 85% of the monster trucks you see. They use Clark hub corners. And inside is the bowl gear. This is the faceplate that holds the planetaries. There's your knuckle with the stock spindle attached to it for now. And there's the Champagne. That's what holds on this whole corner. And the reason why we call it a Champagne is because it looks like a champagne glass. In case you guys ever wonder why we call it that. Yep, so there you go. There is the corner system, and that is how you take apart a Clark corner.